Hello, this is Paul Milligan for Inavate TV. I'm joined today by Christian from Macom. Welcome, Christian. Christian, what changes do you feel need to be made to the current AV consultancy market?
I don't know that there's necessarily any changes needed because we're already providing the things which I think should be there, which should be there. But I think that it's important for consultants to be able to provide a full scope of services to their customers. It's not acceptable these days, for example, not to provide a detailed specification for a solution. But it's also important to provide strategy consulting to help people with their AV-related business within their working environment, and to help them with the challenges of developing that and moving that into the future. So strategy, planning, concepts, also product testing, and making sure that the solutions that are designed are tested before they even get to a tender stage. So whether it's actually changes that are needed is things that we're already doing, but I think it's important that the end users understand that these services are available, because I know that they think they're important.
So the testing phase for you is a crucial one?
It's very important. It always has been, and it's getting more so now, not just with hardware. We have to test software, and then you also have to test that hardware with the software. And if you don't get those signal paths right and those interactions between those two products, two services or multiple products tested, you're leaving it to the systems integrator at a time when they're trying to meet a project program. And that's never going to end well. So doing that up front is really important. And yeah, we've invested in a lab specifically to do that. We do the concept work, we do the strategy work in the lab for collaboration and UC and AV solutions. But we also use that lab to actually test the hardware before it's put into our tenders. So it's very important for us to stay close to the manufacturers, to understand what their roadmap is. We write papers for them on what's coming technologies, but we're making sure that we're understanding the full functionality and the full parameters and feeding back to the manufacturers if those products don't meet the detail that they say they do and the services that they think that their products provide. Only then can we understand how to deploy them into complex environments within our clients.